So guys, welcome back to another day in the life, which is kind of an impromptu one. I've just been installing some PDUs for a new rack setup, and part of the setup process I go through, I plug in some fans into them at different settings so that they draw different currents. And I thought, you know what, let's have a chat with the marketing guys and we could do a video on our monitoring system and what software we use and how we make it all work. So I'm going to go get the fans, plug them in, ramp up 2 of them to different levels, get some readings, and we'll go check out the systems. Roll the intro, guys. So I'm going to take these fans in, set one to low heat, one to high heat. One will pull 4 amps, one will pull 8 amps, which means I can get a reading on the graphs and make sure that everything's monitoring correctly. So come with. I've got them set to heat, and one of them is set to 1 and the other one's set to 2. So the one that's on 1 will pull 4 amps, like 4.2 amps. So I'll plug that into feed A and just make sure it actually works. And then I'll plug the other one into feed B, also make sure it works. So they're spinning up, they're on, and they're hot. I have to leave it a couple of minutes for the software to actually poll it and take a reading. And then, I can actually look at it on my phone. So as you can see here, feed A, which is what I plugged the low powered one into, is pulling 3.92 amps, and feed B is pulling 7.64 amps. As you can see here, it's graphed it, like so. So guys, and here we are in the NOC, and these are the monitoring systems that myself and the guys monitor on a daily basis. So I'll give you a quick run through of what we've got going on up here and explain some of the software we're using and why we use it. So on these 2 screens we monitor power, cooling and network. This is running, as is that screen and one of those screens. It's running a piece of software called Cacti. It's an open source bit of software. We've taken it and we've heavily customized it to do a lot of back-end stuff as well. So these are just the snapshot graphs that we view in the NOC, just a quick look up from your computer, just to kind of see what's going on. On the computers we do view it in a hell of a lot more detail as well, like down to the T. So we monitor 20,000 data points at this moment in time. Obviously that's ever changing as we add new like temperature sensors, new servers, whatever it is, we monitor it. Obviously it's all done with SNMP. So that's kind of Cacti. We'll go over it in a bit more detail in one of the other videos, kind of how it works, how to install it, what it looks like when you're actually on it. So on this top middle screen, you might have seen it in our gen test video that we've done. It's going to be blurred out because there's a lot of sensitive information up there, but we've effectively got top left, we monitor latencies to various targets. So that could be transit services that we have. We check the latency across those and it starts binging and flashing when it all goes wrong. We've got some custom software which is used for DOS attack detection. So we monitor various parameters on our network that help us work out whether there's an attack or whether it's just a genuine flow of traffic. And we've also got the generator stuff, which you'd have seen in the gen test video. It tells us the status of generators, what their loads are, etc. So if we wander down this side a little bit. So we've got a snapshot of our CCTV on this screen. It's literally just an overview of probably the more sensitive areas, and it scrolls through different screens. Things like doorways in and out of the data center, air handler plants, build room, this NOC, etc. It's just an overview. We do have a lot more cameras on our computers that we can see exactly where they are, what they're doing, who's where. And on the screen above, this one is a syslog screen. It literally just spits out syslog events from our devices, and this is also running in Cacti, which is what the other screens are running on for the graphs and weather maps and stuff like that. We've also got a nice little bit of software up here that we've written ourselves. It talks about access control, pulls out people that are signed into the data center, tells us where their last swipe was, who they are, what company they work for, what they're actually doing around site. It's also hooked up so that in the event of a fire, that prints itself out. So we've got a checklist of who's on site so we can record everything that way. There are some other bits of software we use. Observium is another bit of software we use. Again, it's open source. There is a paid version, which obviously we have, and it's just good to have a few different monitoring systems monitoring the same things because they work in different ways. Some are more simple, whereas like Observium is very simple. It's just graphs and it tells you what you need to know. Cacti, really fine details. You can do a lot with it. It's very powerful. Yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it software-wise. We do have a few more bits of software, but I'm not going to keep rabbiting on it. It's just kind of an overview this video. So Pav is going to be doing a video with you guys soon about the physical side of it. So the sensors, the servers that make up the monitoring platforms, the custom stuff we've done to monitor various bits and bobs. So Pav will take you on a quick run through of that in the upcoming videos. We've also got James, who's going to go through kind of a lab setup with you. So installing it, playing with it, and just setting up some devices on, say, Cacti, for instance. I think that's what he's going to use. So yeah, we're going to wrap up this video because I've got some stuff to crack on with. I've got some very urgent setups to process. So remember to leave a like, comment with any suggestions. You know we love doing videos that you guys want to see, this being one of them, and just share the video, spread the love, and we'll see you all in the next show.